In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Urban Opener video animation in Canva. We'll start inside Canva by opening a video template. Choose a video format and a style that feels bold and modern, ideally one that already includes a video clip on the canvas. Once your design opens, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type square, then pick a basic square shape and add it to your design. Resize the square so it fills the entire canvas from edge to edge. This will act as a graphic overlay that gives the opener its urban, punchy look. Change the square's color to something high contrast or on brand. Think strong neutrals or a color that complements the footage underneath. Next, work with your video clip on the timeline. Split the clip where you want the first beat or cut to happen. Then adjust the duration from the timeline below so each section feels snappy. Shorter segments generally create a more energetic opener. Select the square again and lower its transparency so the video shows through while still tinting the frame. Keep the opacity consistent across pages for a cohesive feel. Move to the second page in your design and apply the same transparency level there as well. Now, let's create a slick frame. Crop the square so only the middle portion remains visible, almost like a window that reveals the footage. This cropped band will become the focal area where your title will live. Add your title by clicking text, then add a heading. Type your word or phrase. Short, impactful text works best for an opener. Change the font to something bold and clean for readability. Update the text color to contrast with the background and footage. Resize the text so it has presence without overwhelming the frame, then reposition it to the center of the cropped shape. Use Canva's alignment guides to snap it dead center. To tie the pages together, add a transition between them. Choose Match and Move so Canva automatically tracks the position of your elements for a smooth, professional motion. Select the text and click Animate. Pick an animation that complements the transition. Subtle movement often looks more polished than overly dramatic effects. You can adjust the intensity if needed. When you're ready, click Preview to watch it all the way through. Check pacing, color contrast, and legibility. If the timing feels off, tweak the clip duration or the transparency to fine-tune the mood. And that's it. Your urban opener is ready to impress.